Hello ladies and gents, welcome to this video, and in this video we will be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro. There you go. As you can see, this is the Pacific Blue. There's nothing more in the box. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. There you go. So you get a USB Type-C to a lightning cable. You get some stickers, and I believe you get the design by Apple in California. Comes with a SIM removal tool, which comes in handy for a lot of folks, especially people like me who likes to swap SIMs and sets phones all the time. Then let's come to the phone. There you go. This is the Pacific Blue. They got rid of the carved edges, so now you have the boxy edge, boxy side, like brings back iPhone 5 memories. Alright, so the grip is good. First thing I can say, yes, the grip feels good in the hand. The side is basically stainless steel. The back is frosted glass, so feels pretty premium. On the side you can see the antenna, the 5G antenna band, which is you're gonna get it if you're in the United States. I don't think other parts of the world might have a different antenna. They might not have this. This is 5G specialty, and I gotta say, this looks pretty nice, pretty cool, especially with the color and the grip. I mean, I usually put a skin on my phone, but with this stainless steel, I think the grip is much better. And also you can see the whole the fingers reaches, the thumb reaches across the whole entire screen, which is a 6.1 OLED screen. So the main features that has been marketed for this iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max are the entire iPhone 12 lineup. It's 5G. I don't really care about 5G right now. It's pretty early days for 5G. I do care about the cameras though, and it has the Dolby Vision 4.2 to 10-bit recording, internal recording in 4K. I mean, I do care about that. This small package, you getting 10-bit 4.2 to 4K video recording, stills. Not sure how much improved it is. Apple always claims that it is improved slightly, but I'm actually pretty excited to check out the camera, especially the video capabilities of this. So as you can see, the iPhone 12 Pro does not come with a brick charger. You can use your old charger from the iPhone 11. So no brick. Apple is heavily encouraging you to get a magnet called MagSafe Charger that clicks, and you can use this to charge your phone. But even if you get the MagSafe Charger for, I don't know, for like 40 bucks, this cost you 40 bucks. You still don't get a brick. You get a USB Type-C port. There's no brick. So the bricks are gone. Charger brick to save the environment. You still need your old iPhone charging bricks, and then you can connect this to charge your iPhone, or any lightning charger will do for now. They didn't change the entire port to USB Type-C. This is still Lightning. Again, I don't agree with this whole no charging brick with the Apple iPhone 11, iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max or 12 line, whole thing. I don't agree with that. And also on top of it, I don't like the fact that you're getting the MagSafe without a brick, a charging brick. Again, that's for a separate video. But if you really want to see in-depth, detailed look about the MagSafe, I will link. I did a video on this, and I will link the video on over here. Check it out. I go over how the MagSafe thing works. It works with the iPhone 11 Pro as well. You can charge it, and also the case. You can actually get the compatible MagSafe silicone case, and I'll just put it on here, and you can carry your iPhone like this. So let's see how strong this thing is. Pretty strong. I mean, I don't recommend you doing this. Well, but it's okay. It's not gonna fall off without much force. I can keep doing this all day. All right. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. But please subscribe to the channel for more iPhone 12 Pro content on this channel. I will put this thing through its paces, and I will see if the camera is a game changer for video recording, along with the processor, which is A14 Bionic. Anyways, ladies and gents, take care.